Let's get a little R&R, humans. Okay, get the truck all cleaned out. I'm gonna go to Ames Performance and get all the parts for, well, some of the parts for the Bandit and some parts for Sheila, the hood for Sheila. So I forgot to do this whole thing. Okay, there you go. I go to Ames because they're close. It's like an hour and a half away, maybe an hour and 10 minutes away. Get all my Pontiac parts. It's nice that they're this close. I save a ton in shipping. Okay, let's go on our adventure. The parts. Leaving the compound, going down to get my parts. It's a nice drive. Nice country road drive until we get on the highway, not the highway. But right now we'll be driving on this road for a while. I've arrived. Let's go in and get some parts. They gave me a catalog. I can order more stuff. I'm hoping everything fits in here. I got it all loaded up. I think it won't go anywhere. I think I'm pretty good. What do you guys think? Am I gonna lose it? I think I'll be okay. Let's go home. Leaving the Pontiac place. There it is. A big Pontiac truck over there. I had to put another tow strap on there, so everything was going to be nice and tight. It doesn't look like it's moving now. It was kind of shifting around before. Somebody had crossed the middle lane there and sideswiped each other. Tore half the car right off. Skinned it all the way down the side. Almost home. By the way, it's Grand National up here on my road. That has been here. It's still there. It is. It's under a tarp over there if you can see it. Been there for 20 years. Tried to buy that car when I first moved to my new house 20 years ago. I saw it over there. That's at the other end of my road. But no, he won't sell it. There it sits. Oh, I'm gonna work on it with my kids. Kids are growing, they're out of the house, out of college, everything. The car still sits there, rotting away. Alright, here we are back. Let's unload this truck and see what I got. Phone's ringing. Hold on. Oh, decals. The rear spoiler. Or the fenders. Those look nice. I like that. Those ones. Got me a new headliner piece for Sheila. Put that sucker in. Oh, what are these? Oh. Oh. Full quarter. Looks really nice. Looks really, really nice. Nice piece all the way up. Trans Am hood. It actually looks really nice. So I got some carpet samples too. But none of them are dark enough. Like this one's like super blue. I don't know if you can see that one. Blue, but I got some seat samples. This is one of my seat samples here. This for the rear seat is cheap, like 200 and something bucks. The other one, 400 and something dollars. Double the money for custom interior. If I had this one, it'd be a lot cheaper. Wouldn't you know it? It's not easy. Already knew. I should have done. Well, quarter panel looks really nice. It looks really nice. Nice factory looking quarter panel. Same thing with the hood. Hood looks really nice and straight too. Oh. So I'm sanding the hood down for Sheila. Just grabbed a piece of 400 DA paper. I'm just going to sand it real quick with some 400 to give it a good bite when I paint it. And then I'm going to go over it with a red Scotch pad afterwards, get all the spots I missed, and that'll be good enough, and paint that like a nice flat black like it's supposed to be. All right, got the initial scuff with 400. Now I'm going to go over with this red Scotch pad because you want to get rid of all the shiny spots. Let me see how you probably see that there. You don't want shiny. Anything shiny, the paint is not going to stick. You got to get all that shiny stuff gone. I know this takes a while. That's what you got to have it look like. That is good. See, good. Shiny spots, not good. Probably what you can't see is when I'm sanding this hood, I'm holding this up a little bit right here, so I'm not leaning into this and pushing it, because this hood is so flat, I don't want to dent it, and you could dent it. So I'm kind of holding this steady, or just a little bit, holding it up kind of while I'm sanding, so as not to dent and warp the hood. Something I learned a long time from being a prep kid at a dealership, auto body. A little Timmy's tip. All right, so that's what your hood should look like. No shiny spots. I know it looks like, well, I think I see shiny spots. No, that's where I hit that's where the 400 I sanded, and then around that I hit the Scotch pad, because if you look, there's no shiny spots. It's all been sanded. Okay? Shiny meat, you saw what it looked like before. All sanded. That's where it's shiny, it will lift. It will flake off at some point. Maybe not right now, maybe not next year, but down the road, a couple of years, yeah, it'll start peeling off. It could actually happen in 6 months. I just didn't want to get you scared right away. I have to seal the hood for Sheila because there's a bunch of 80 grit grinder marks where they filed it with whatever. All right, seal it. Did you guys have a good time? You guys enjoy it? My memory card says you had a good time. If you liked it, that's good. Like, subscribe, and comment to somebody else's channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. I gotta walk off screen now. My back hurts. I'll just end it here. Check us out.